What? Eh? So this is how fast you people have changed. Oh. You've betrayed me.
I want to understand this. What has betrayal got to do with this? Did we force Frank to give us money or take Mama to the hospital? He decided to help. Were we supposed to turn him down and let Mama die? What are you saying? The young man offered to help Mama, take her to the hospital and give us money. And you're here talking about betrayal. Oh, so you wanted Mama to die? Yeah, Biko Kwao.
Onyema, I am only listening to you because of how helpful you have been to I and my daughter. In fact, to this family. Eh? Let it not be as if I am being ungrateful or I am sounding ungrateful. Mana Biko, don't say this again. No. Don't get me angry. You are aggravating my anger by saying this.
Mama, what did I hear you say? Eh? So this is how you now talk to me? Eh, Mama?
How did I talk to you? Eh? Onyema, how did I talk to you now? Ngwa, tell me. What did my daughter do to you?
Why, Mama? Eh? Ask him.
Can you hear me? Eh? Are we the first person that Frank is helping in this village? Are we the first? Eh? Why are you turning this thing as if I'm wearing husband on email? I don't understand though. You want me to die?
Oh, I am so disappointed in both of you.
Onyema, Biko, hold it there. Enough! What is disappointed? Who are you disappointed in? Me and Mama?
Amaze?
That the young man decided to help, bringing out money, took my mother to the hospital. Look at my mother. She came back from the hospital looking like somebody that was never ever ill. Were you happy the whole time we were begging you for small change? Me and 2,000. You were 1,500. You were 1,000. Now somebody decided to bring out his money with his good heart. Took my mother to the hospital. Look at her. Looking like somebody that was never ever ill. And you're standing here talking about disappointment. I am disappointed in you and your generation.
What has that got to do with hugging him?
That's your problem.
I mean,
it's appreciation hug.
Thank you, Mama.
Appreciation and we'll go hugging here.
Hugging, yes. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, hugging. That is what she did. Eh? Onyema, see, I don't like this so. I don't like this so. You are wishing me death, Ewa. There is no problem. And Awele, you know the doctor said you should be feeding me every 1 hour. I am hungry. I want to eat. You remember we have Indomie. Granola or rice. Come and cook and give to me. Come inside. All right.
Mama, I am just trying to pour my anger.
Okay.
Eh?
I'm
trying to tell you that I do not love what I saw.
Nah.
So you now dine with my greatest enemy.
If you want to pour your heart, go to the church. Pope Neba, make confession and pour out your heart. Don't come here to pour out your heart. What is it? It is time for you to leave. I need to go in and settle my mother. Biko, just go.
My greatest enemy.
Only later you can come back and we'll talk about this. As for now, Nawa, Obianiji, Una.
Hi.
I don't want to leave this time.
Is this how this world is? Hey.
Papa, think about this. What will you gain if Onyema becomes the king? No, tell me, what will you gain?
His late father was my very good friend. I will not live to see his son being deprived of his own rights, and I will not fight for him.
Mataxi, I've seen you now. Eh? So you prefer fighting for your late friend's son rather than fighting for your own sons to make it in life? Eh, Papa?
I want my sons to be happy too. Do you think I am happy the way you boys come back here and start looking for land to sell? Eh? Do you think I'm happy about it?
You see? Papa, you have said it all.
Hey, Papa, can't you see? We went to see Onowu and he told us that they are yet to share the money. Meaning you still have an opportunity to get your own share of the money. Papa, you need to join them. Eh? He even said he will be coming later to see you. Bikonu.
What will I tell Onyema now? I don't like the way you boys are pushing me. I don't like it.
Papa, see, let me tell you, if you're thinking of what to tell him, don't worry, leave that to me. See, tell him that you're sick. Yes, you're not feeling fine. He should fight his fight alone.
I should tell him I'm sick.
Tell him you're sick. He should fight his fight alone. Use that opportunity to gather money for us. Because if he finally loses this throne, it's not going to be good though. After all, I even had the villagers are gathering to take the throne away from him. So it's going to be bad if you lose in vain. Gather money for us, so we're going to be happy and take care of you. That is why you have us.
Yes, and you will be in law with Ono.
Exactly.
That will make you part of the leaders of this community. Papa, think, oh Papa.
And
think.
you know 3 heads are better than one. 3 heads are better than one.
My problem is that Papa is not even seeing the future. We are the future you're seeing. That tomorrow it starts with us.
Bikonu.
Papa, think, oh.
Make use of this opportunity now that you are seeing it.
What is it?
Calm down. Look, there's something important I want to tell you, and I don't want anybody to hear about it.
Then say it. I don't have that time. Just talk.
Okay, fine. Look, my fellow maiden, my boss, and Awele and your sister, they are planning evil about you. That's why I'm telling you now, because I don't want it to backfire. And you know you're going to become the next king, so I want to tell you this, so you employ me as your chief maid when you become the king.
Are you done?
Can you just listen to me?
I've heard you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I've heard you.
Chekwa, you mean Awele and her mother said this to you?
Mama, I'm afraid what Sister Ugochi said is likely to happen. I am already seeing brother losing this battle. The question is, what do we do?
Onyema, please, get hold of yourself. And Onam, don't allow this to break you down. Chikoto Onwegi, why will look for what to do?
And Mama, what if they take Awele away from me? Can you get me? Eh?
Brother, I am a woman and I understand certain things. The bitter truth is that from everything you've just said, Awele is gone already. Gone forever. Mama, for Frank to have succeeded in buying Sister Ugochi from us means he can buy just anybody. We are the only ones left to be bought.
And Dikeh Agono, he's the only one that is remaining for us now. I'm afraid, though. I'm afraid. Onyema, I don't know if we can win this battle.
Yes. I am going to win this war. We will win the battle. I will fight not to lose Awele. Yes, because Mama, if I lose Awele, it's going to hurt me. It's going to hurt me, oh, it's going to hurt me. Hey. Ichiago, where are you? Kedebino. Hey.
I told you this earlier. If I have sons the way you are blessed with sons, I won't be doing this. You and I are drawing very close to our graves. We will make sure that these children are up and doing before we join our ancestors. I want to ask you, if you finally support Onyema and he wins, do you think that the Onyema I know will look after your children when you are gone? No. I'm asking you, Ago.
Oh no, we tell him. Because he will not. Papa, he will not. Papa, let me lecture you. Eh? This is politics. What you get now is what you will get. Besides, by the time he becomes king, he will be too busy to listen to your problems. Eh?
Zubi.
Oh no.
Ibo Ago. Zubi Ibo Ago. Have you seen it? Did you listen to your son talk? He has been able to analyze the nature of this world in 5 seconds. That is the Ago I'm seeing. He used to be Ago, but I don't know the sudden transfer. Have you seen it? You should thank your stars that you have sons that are articulate.
Oh no. I'm doing this not to offend my friend and his late father.
Who cares? Where was this your friend when your wife was in the hospital gnashing her feet? Where was this your friend? Where was this your friend where you were moving from one corner to another, seeking for help, financial help? Your friend was there, yet he did not help you. Ago, I thought by now that you would have learned some 9 lessons of life, but you have not even learned one. It's quite pitiable. Now look at your son. Your son is more articulate and reasons more faster than anyone else. Listen, gone are those days when you keep people that doesn't matter at all in your life in high reverence.
Irrelevant people.
Irrelevant people. Why am I even wasting my saliva? I would have come here if not because of these innocent children, very vibrant and well focused. If not because I am looking towards their direction, I won't come here with my position. Do you think I will come here? When I recycle my memory, I will trace where we started. And of course, in the greater part, because of these children. So follow the path to death and die.
Huh? I have heard all you said, oh no. We should be going to see the Frank.
Hey! Finally, the Ago has returned.
The original Ago is back.
I know you to come to this.
Papa, now you are talking. Eh?
Let me quickly rush inside and change my clothes. I'm coming.
Papa, please, Papa, because of this thing that you have done, I will prepare a special pot of soup, sponsored especially for you. Eh?
Oh
no, thank you for coming. No, and this is the time for you to enjoy.
I don't want to offend the gods. But to be more sincere, if not because of you, your father will still be saddled here, thinking like a man who they have given 8 years in his brain. I don't know why your father behaves like that, but well, anyway, I am happy that you are around. If not because you are around, I thought you would have gone to play all those dear games.
You know, the problem is that he is not used to seeing money in bulk. But
the men have to be very, very legible.
That's why I'm around.
Oh
no, that's why I'm around.
When it comes to you, maybe Fego, men will be flexible. When the number is greater, you have the greater.
Oh no! You're coming far because. Thank you for coming.
I know who you are. Hey. You are the Argo.
The Argo?
The counterfeit.
Iche. Hello. I'm even going to your house.
Is there any problem? Hope there's no problem.
Why are you asking him that? There is problem everywhere. Listen, Onyema. If you don't surrender the throne, there will be no peace for you. I'm telling you this.
Oh no, I am not here to see you or to talk to you. Eh? Please. Iche, where are you going with him?
Keep this thing down.
Iche, where are you going with him?
Onyema, an elder that said that he does not have the knowledge of how to dig ground is being cunning. If okay, sinomai buala, marakwana odia.
Yes. Iche, please, right now I don't have time for this. Let's go to your house so we'll sit down and talk. Ishi popcorn.
Isigi will not only buy popcorn. On a bakudene. Na bakakoibo. Are you hearing me? Ago, please, let's go where we are going. Leave this fool for nothing person to stand like a scarecrow. Kochua rice.
Onyema, I cannot talk to you now. As you can see, we are on our way to an important meeting. So I will see you later.
What do you mean that they cannot talk to me? How? I don't get it. Eh? What do you mean that they cannot talk to me?
What is the meaning of this?
You said you will not join. Oh no! Now you're with him. What are you doing with him?
What is the meaning of this? Why all this question? Eh? What is it, Onyema? Am I the one holding you here? I just told you that I will see you later. You are interrogating me as if I'm in a police custody. If you are not ready to wait till I'm ready to talk to you, then forget it.
I should forget it.
Yes, I'm tired of this long talk. You can't go. Oh no, let's go. I put this food.
Let us go.
Man.
Yeah, let's go.
It shock you.
I will leave the animal.
I should forget it.
Hey! Thank God for Frank. If not for him, what would I have done? Mama? Maybe by now they would have buried me or even forgotten about me.
Mama Ibidukwa, you have started. I have told you to stop talking about this. And the funny thing is that, you know, people actually die on daily basis because of money. Mama, wait for this life. This life. Nothing on earth will ever make me associate myself with any poverty, low-life, stricken, worthless parasites. Never in this life, Mama.
God forbid.
They
will not see you.
Amen.
They won't see you.
Amen.
Mama chicken. Oh, for me.
Hey,
you know, I know that Onyema has been good to us. But he needs to allow you enjoy Frank's money.
Mama, I have finished enjoying Frank's money. I will enjoy that money to the last. Nothing will let Frank pass me by. It's good enough that I loved him before, Mama, but I couldn't enjoy the suffering. No. I mean, who will see enjoyment and choose suffering? And how would I have let you suffer like that when somebody was willingly offering us help? I wouldn't have forgiven myself if anything had happened to you. Yeah.
Thank God nothing happened to me. Thank God. No. Chicken. Chicken.
It's okay.
Only me. I should eat. Do you know when last I ate this kind of big meat? It was when I was young, when I used to visit one of my uncles that sell chicken. On the poultry.
Are you serious?
When we say 10 fowl, he will kill one for us.
Did they give you the full fowl or just the leg? Or the head or the neck? By the way, oh, Mama, your suffering has been a long time. Mama, chop flesh.
Thiago, this is good. This is good. So you're not in my car?
Yes. Please forgive me. I was just trying to be nice to Onyema because his late father was my very good friend.
Okay, I like that. Loyalty. Shows you're loyal. I like that. I conform with loyalty. Okay? The truth of the matter is this. I don't hate Onyema. But I want the throne. I want to be king and better the lives of my people. That is it. That is the only thing I want. Okay? I don't know why he's stubborn. I don't know why he tried to be stubborn. Look, my principle is this. If I want something, I go and get it. If you stand in my way, I crush you. And you see Onyema, I've crushed him in so many ways. I've hit him. I don't think he can stand again.
Well, I will try and talk to him.
Okay.
Such money is too big. Just that I will not be the one to suggest for him to take it.
Frank the Dog, Chief Frank the Dog. You have done well. You've seen we are making...
Yeah, we are progressing. He's here. We are progressing. We are progressing.
You won't believe we saw that stupid animal on our way to this palatial home.
Really?
He looks like a pauper.
Of course he's a pauper. He's a pauper. Who is he? Who is he? I've hit him. I've destroyed him. That's it. And then, Jay, to the crux of the matter now. Do you know where that throne is?
Yes, I know. I went with him to hide it. Yes.
You know?
Yes.
He knows. So this is it. You will go with him to where that throne is. When he tells me he has seen the throne, you get ₦1 million. Then when I set my eyes on the throne, I prepare a check for you for another 1 million.
1 million naira.
1 million naira.
Just for me.
Just for you. And when we retrieve it, I give you another check of another.
1 million. 2 million. What are we waiting for? Let's go there right away. 2 million naira is involved.
Because
It's amazing what money can do.
Awe, baby.
Onyema.
Where more? Where do you go to shop?
Where are you coming from?
Okay, I went to drop something somewhere. And
Okay.
where are you going to?
I'm going to visit somebody.
Wait, you're going to see Frank?
Yeah.
Because this is the road to Frank's house.
Onyema.
No, you're going to see Frank.
Onyema, you have started. You have started. I told you that we'll sit down and have a talk about this. And you're stopping me on the road to start harassing.
But you told me you're going to call me when you are done with what you're doing. Why didn't you call me again?
But the way you are going about it is wrong.
How? Why are you doing this to me? What is wrong with you? You said you're going to call me. Till this time you've not called me. What is wrong?
Is that why you are sounding like this?
You've changed. You've changed.
Changed about what? No, Onyema, let me ask you, what is the change? That a gentleman decided to help my mother to get better. Is that what you call change? Are you not happy? Onyema, I'm asking you, are you not happy? The way you're going about this thing is wrong. Oh. Even my mother, she's beginning to feel really, really bad. She's feeling like you wanted her to die. No. Why are you not happy?
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean? What do I mean by that? The way my mother thinks about it now, she's looking at it like you don't even want her to leave. The poor man just came around to help my mother, and I think he has been doing for other people in this community. Why is it so different in our own case? He helped my mother get to the hospital. You should be grateful and say thank you to the young man. But you've been picking fights and quarrel here and there.
Are you the one talking to me like this?
Onyema.
Eh?
Onyema.
Why are you talking to me like this?
Onyema.
Because of Frank?
Onyema, Frank is a very nice man. And I will advise that you calm down. He's just kind and generous to his people. He hasn't done anything wrong. The only thing is that he's fighting for the throne, which we obviously know it is your right. Please, let's not have a fight about this. We'll talk about this tomorrow.
Wait. You don't walk out on me like that because of. You're still going. Awole. Is he actually walking out on me because of Frank? What is going on? Is this happening or is this just a dream? Anya.
I told you I know where he kept it. Come and see it. Timo. Where is it?
Are you questioning me? Is this the place?
This is the place we both came and dropped it.
Who else came here to remove it?
How will I know? Or does it mean this boy came back and take it?
Hey, Ago. Have you seen it? Hey, something that both of you came here in confidence. You hid the thing here. All of a sudden, the thing developed wing and fly. He is the one who probably would have come down to this place without your knowledge and pim. Hey, 2 million naira gone. 2 million naira gone.
Why is this boy like this? Does it mean this boy want to dupe me or what?
Of course. He wants to dupe you. And that's exactly how he would have duped you if he becomes a king. Ago, Okwa 2 million gone.
Hey, Mbao, this boy is a bad boy. Yes. How could he have changed the position without telling me? Does it mean that he don't trust me or what?
He doesn't.
Because I was the only one that knew about this.
He is not comfortable with you. You are the one who keeps misbehaving. Use the sense you were using way back at Ubokoko. Look at exactly what you're going to do. You will pretend that everything is all right. And then you draw close to him and make him more comfortable so that he will feel that you have not discovered what he is playing, the scheming. And then he will comfortably show you where he's hiding the throne. Yes.
Okay, leave that to me. 2 million naira is involved.
Okay, 2 million.
Daddy.
Let's go. I go for 2 million.
2 million. 2 million. 2 million, come on.
Hey!
Onyema.
Okay, 2 million.
2 million. Onyema.
Hey! 2 million.
Onyema Egwomo. Onyema Egwomo.
I mean, what is this? Why would you want to do this to yourself? Why? Why would a pretty girl like you wallow in this village when you should be much more productive in the city or even abroad? Come on. Why?
Sir, you will not understand. Onyema is a very good man. He has been very kind to my mother and I.
No, tell me. How good? How can he allow you? Have you taken a good look at yourself? You shouldn't be in this condition. Square pegs belong to square holes. Come on. Shoes have sizes. Come on. You shouldn't do this to yourself. Okay, let me ask you this question. I'll ask you this question because I'll tell you this for free. You see, God doesn't just come down to help people. No. God will send his angels to talk to man, to help the fellow human beings on earth. I'll ask you this. If not for me, would your mother still be alive today? No, tell me.
No, sir. Truth be told, But that's why I keep thanking God every day for sending you to help my mother and I.
Good. Now let me ask you this question again. If it was between Onyema, yourself and your mother, will your mother be alive today? Will Onyema take care of your mother's needs? Will your mother be alive today? Come on, will you be drinking this? You'll be crying by now. You'll be crying more than what will contain this glass. Come on. My dear, be smart.
Sir, we are grateful for everything you have done for us. Just, how do you want my mother and I to pay you back? All you need to do is ask, and I promise my mother and I will do it for you.
You're sure?
Yes, sir.
I want you to marry me. Yes. Marry me. Be my wife. Enjoy your life. And be the queen of this village. Marry me. You have the cake, you have the knife, you have the fork.
Sir, I don't have cake.
My dear, you have. You don't know who you are. And you don't know who you're with. Marry me. And have peace of mind. Have a piece of good life. Come on. Be smart, my dear. Be smart. It's too late to fail. Okay? Too late to fail. Be smart.
What? You said Ichiago Meregene? Ichiago did what?
Hi. Mama, we are finished. This just shows that we've lost it. If Ichiago can be bought, it means we are all alone.
It's now clear to me that I'm all alone in this. Since he can visit Frank's house with Ono, since he told me that he can never go to Ono again, that means he has made up his mind to tell me that he's tired of all these things.
Chinekene. So human being can change like this?
Hi.
Oh, Mama, you've seen it. You've seen this one.
Ooh.
Mama, I saw Awele walking towards Frank's house. I didn't even finish talking with her. She walked out on me.
Hi.
Mama, you see, I will take every rubbish in this world, but that of Awele's own, I will never take it. Rather, I will kill her and kill Frank.
Hey, brother.
You will not kill anybody. You will not kill anybody. Oh. All we have to do now is to change our strategy. Yes.
I am doing that.
It is obvious we are alone in this now.
Mama, I've started doing that already. Oh. I'll just go immediately and change where I hid the throne.
Very good, brother. You did the right thing.
They think I'm a fool. They think I'm not a fool. Oh. I don't even trust anyone anyway. Okay, don't trust Ndala.
Biko, where did you hide it?
Mama, don't worry. I don't trust anyone. So don't bother about that one, okay?
Even me, your mother?
Yes, Mama, yes. Since my own blood sister can cast me because of money, talk less of my own girlfriend. It's not possible. I don't trust anyone now. Who do you want to trust? Me? Trust somebody. Can't trust anyone, no. Eh? Knock the megon can trust someone. This house is my inheritance. Only courier with this nonsense cow. Whoa.
Guys, chief.
No.
Shit, make I breathe. You choke. Who they hang? Oh, they might hang.
In a kingdom where nobody rules, tell me who will answer me. Oh, we don't know what to do, and the gods will never answer. You qualify
Ugochi.
Hey, Awele my G. Correct babe. Don't say you too fine. Who I reach you for this villa? The person they craze, the banana wear. Oh look you now. Look you now, you too fresh, too fine here. Make come on shit. Havana. How they go?
I'm okay.
Why you
How
not
are you?
Okay? Why you not okay? Look your life now. Now every friend don't enter your life. Everybody don't normalize. Don't normalize anyhow. Look you now. How they go with down there?
Everything is fine. Thing is, I'm just coming from his house. But right now I'm confused. He asked me to marry him.
Nah lie. Babe, nah lie. You say what?
He asked me to marry him.
What's he gonna tell her?
I told him I would think about it.
Hey! Oh, baby, you dey fuck up. You dey fuck up you now. No, nothing calm now. You know, baby, form my leg. You form my leg anyhow. I mean, to say you get. Now wow. Now what? Now so they love rich. Now so you they love your own. See, I'm not so near man, my blood brother. My blood brother. But they fuck up. Nothing got me body go still lose last. He not fit win this throne. What's the way they talk now? He not fit. What he gets? He rich. He not rich, babe.
Ogochi.
You won't lose.
No, I don't want to lose. And that's why I'm talking to you. I need your advice. Like a sisterly advice.
Now I'll give you so. Sisterly advice, now I'll give you. See, you go tell Onyema, say, make collect that money. Lose guard. Now for you go lose guard. Tell her, say, I collect the money, free this throne. Yes. Yes, sir. Because I collect her, you go make money so people go live. Happily. But if you not collect the money, leave this throne. Won't make money, live life happily. Marry, enjoy life. Or you marry Frank. Either ways, you're gonna win. Because now win-win we dey. Not be so. Win-win, winning things. Or how you know agree, marry Frank. I dey tell you. Because my brother, he know if he win this matter. He don't lose them. He don't lose them. Think am. Think am. Now sisterly advice I dey give you so. Let me tell you.
What do you take me for? You should know they can't get me easily just like that. Eh?
Ichia, the way you reacted to me that day showed me that they've bought you.
Mbani. They only told me that Frank wanted to see me, which I went there. Getting there, he offered me some money and I rejected it. Yes. Makagenese.
I told you that Ichie cannot change like that.
Why would I change?
Anyway, I thank God that you've not changed. Hey, Chase here. I need your help. Awele is about to drop me. Biko, help me. You know, I saw it in her attitude. I don't know if because Frank helped her mother get well.
Can't be issue. As it stands now, we have to move ahead. Okay. See that place you kept the throne? You have to take it out.
I've done that already.
Boy, you didn't tell me.
Yes, I've done that already. You know the way you reacted to me. I mean, I was shocked. Yes.
Okay. So, where do you keep it now?
I hid it behind the old block by community hospital. It's in there.
It's okay. It's okay, dear. It's okay, dear. It's okay.
Ichie, please, I want you to help me talk to the bank guy. You said he will agree.
Don't worry. As soon as I got home now, I will call him on the phone. In fact, let me quickly rush home and get my phone and call him. Okay. You see these people? They are failed. I'm telling you.
Should I wait for you or should I go with you?
Mama, don't worry. Just let me go. I will get back to you this evening. Okay? Nabia. Hi.
Get up. Okay.
Why did you tell him where you hid it? When you couldn't tell me your mother?
Mama, calm down. I know what I am doing. Okay? Relax.
So you now trust an outsider more than me?
I'm broke on a mugu. Mami Fenema.
You mean he said that to you?
Mama, that's what he said to me. And as it stands, I'm very confused. I don't know what to do. I just met Ugochi on the way who told me what to do, but Mama, I still like Onyema. I still do.
I understand, but that is the only thing to do. That's the only way out. Yes. You know, I used to like Onyema. I used to love him until he came here and said what he said. In fact, as he stands now, I am no longer happy with him. For Frank to do what he did for me, I would do anything to make him happy.
Mama, so what do you want me to do now?
What do you want to do before? Okay, tell me. What did Ugochi tell you?
The only thing she said was that I should just make sure I don't lose. That I should tell Onyema to collect the 500 million naira and leave the throne to Frank. Or I marry Frank and be happy. If she was just saying something about win-win, I should make sure I win. That's what she said.
Exactly! That is the point! Win-win! That is the only advice a good friend can tell another. Hey, win! Yes. Well, look at it this way. What if at the end of the day, Frank refuses to give Onyema the money, and Frank wins the throne by becoming the king, and at the end of the day, you did not marry Frank. You are with Onyema, 1 naira. You will end up becoming a loser. Queen, money, mba. Eh?
Mama, I understand what you're saying. But how do I tell Onyema? That's my fear. What do I say to him?
You know what you will do? You will go to Frank, look at him eyeball to eyeball, face to face, and tell him your mind.
Yeah? Mama, I should open my eyes.
Open your eyes. Tell him the truth. You cannot lose. Or they possible.
When I was in school, I was making a lot of money from Ludo.
In school, let me show you people what I'm called my dream.
Honaya, Tuseki.
But
by the time I am done with you guys, I'm going to do the one you all go come.
6-2.
Yeah, 6-2. Yes.
He has done for me. He has done for me. What my papa cannot do. He has done for me. Hey! Don't talk, was
Papa.
My children, you were all correct when you were telling me to go back and join Onowu's team.
Oh. You see? So Papa, tell us what happened.
I went to see Frank the Don. In fact, he was very happy seeing me back to his team. Do you know what? He asked me if I knew where Onyema kept his throne, and I told him yes. He promised me if I take Onowu there, he will give me 1 million naira. An additional 1 million naira if he set his eyes on the throne. Additional 1 million naira. Ha! That is to me. To me. Just like that.
Hey, what are you still waiting for?
Papa, come and take us to where the throne is. Let us take it to him now.
Exactly.
Do you know I took Onowu there? To my greatest surprise, Onyema has changed the position without telling me. Then I now went back to his house and lured him to tell me where exactly the throne is. He told me where he hid it. Do you know what? I want both of us to go and carry the throne and take it to the Frank the Don.
Papa, you mean you know exactly where the throne is?
Fact, yes.
So 2 million naira just now. Hey!
now.
I told you, Papa. The one was supposed to Kai.
Really? As stupid as I feel that boy should be, I must admit he's smart. He knows what he's doing.
My brother is very smart, oh. Very smart. See, he was about telling my mother where he hid the throne. When he saw me, he stopped talking. He stopped talking.
Chief, do not worry. Ichiago promised that he is going to get it from him. Wherever he hid it, he will get it from him.
Oh no, even if he does not get it, I'll get it. A small thing now. I'll get it.
I'm going to say this now. I don't care where, I don't care where from, I don't care who the person is. I don't care who the person is, okay? I don't care, all right? Now, anybody who finds me that throne, that particular throne, I'll give the person 2 million naira. 2 million naira. 2 million. Get that throne and 2 million is yours.
You say 2 million?
2 million naira.
2 million?
Yes.
Eh? Leave it to me. I will bring that throne here for you. You go hug that throne. I'll bring it to you. Madego.
You can go. Now listen. Immediately we get that throne, we'll kick off the coronation. Immediately.
Chief, we cannot kick off this coronation. I told you you have to marry first before any other thing. There is no coronation without getting married. I told you earlier.
What are you waiting here for? You know, go and get me this throne. 2 million.
Papa, let us share this money here.
No, wait, let me tell you. Do you know what? I will use my own 1 million now. Open one new shop in LP.
Are you mad? So if I take 1 million as the first son, you also take 1 million.
Is it not to make the family grow?
What
will be my own portion?
Papa, what is this? Papa?
Papa, wake up first now.
Papa, behave now.
Stand up now, stand up.
Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? But this is where he told me now.
And this is the old hospital block too.
Papa, this boy has finally tricked you. Eh?
Why would this boy do such thing?
Nah,
Why would he do this? Hey.
Stand up. Why you start looking for who will buy you a goat? Hey, what kind of go different way here? What kind of thing is this?
Onyema, 2 million.
Papa, now let's go.
This thing I've shot you because just go and you. Papa, let's go now. Okay, let's continue the search first.
2 million. Onyema. 2 million. Onyema.
Papa, hurry up now. That's him 2 million naira. Hurry up.
Onyema, man, Onyema. Search everywhere. This is substance block. Search everywhere.
Akuchi.
Some people really don't have shame in this life. So after everything you've done, you still know your way to this house?
So in your wildest dream, I moved all the way from my house under this hot sun to come and exchange words with you.
So what are you here for?
Because I want to see Onyema. Why is it?
He is not around. Be going.
Awele.
Mama?
Is this you?
Yeah. It's me, Mama.
No.
Thank you.
How is your mother?
My mother? Hey! My mother is doing so well. You need to see her. Looking all fresh, hale and hearty, bouncing in the Lord, eating good food and drinking good wine as water. Yes, Mama.
Thank God.
Thank God, Mama. Amen. I want to see Onyema, Biko.
Yeah, he just left.
Oh. Okay, I'll wait for him.
Awele.
Mama?
What is it that I'm hearing?
What is it you are hearing?
There he comes.
I was right. I was right. Yes. Hey!
What is it?
What a world.
What is it?
What a world.
What is it,
What
brother?
is it?
Mama, I was right.
Brother,
Hey!
brother, please.
Eh?
Onyema, what is
Can it be her?
Brother, calm down and explain to us. What is it now?
Nah, Papa safe, eh?
Papa Ginin.
Do something now, do something.
And I say do something.
Papa, you have to go from here and see and go see him.
But how do I present this to him now? For him not to know I went there.
Papa, it's very simple. Run back to his house now and tell him that the village people want to clear that place. That I should follow you so the both of you go and remove the throne from there.
Papa Mike is right. That is the best lie to tell him.
Do you think it will work?
Yes, it will work. He must stand up and follow you, and if he doesn't follow you, if he does not, just know he didn't hide it there and let him.
Did you find it?
Find what?
I thought that is the meeting you were having.
Find what? That boy is playing games with me.
Nah.
The boy told me that he went and hid it at the old community hospital block. Now I went there with my sons to find out that firewood covered with tarpaulin.
Nothing at all, nothing.
Hey, that boy is playing pranks with us. But you see, the only interesting thing there now is that Frank has given order that whoever finds the throne and brings it to him, to that person, he will give a whole sum of 2 million.
Why? Why will he do that?
Because you, Ago, simply failed. You failed.
Am I done? These people should have given me time. Yes. 2 million naira can't cook wherever.
It is that time that Frank does not have to waste. Frank does not have just such time to waste. Yes.
No. We all know this is my father's contract.
Exactly.
You all should allow him to execute it now.
Yes. I know he's your father's contract. But you see, it's not like I am the one contesting with your father. You know Onyemechi's younger sister, Ugochi. She too was also promised the 2 million.
Papa,
if she finds it.
Oh no,
Onyemechi's
she doesn't know anything.
Ugochi.
Forget about her.
Oh no, this is men's fight. If I borrow it from one.
Exactly.
But it's not
my
like
son,
this.
come with me.
Papa, let us go. Go to his house.
See, Papa.
No.
Please beg him, tell him to calm down.
Don't worry, I will.
It's my father's contract. Everybody should wait.
Yes.
Oh no, 2 million, I brought 2 naira.
Whomever finds the throne, to the person 2 million naira will go to. Hey, Chideke. Nekwen Ichiago. So Ichiago could run like this. Hey, Ichiago. Okudova. Hey, Nekwen, Lele. Hey! Oh, Ichiago Sirike. Hey, oh, Ichiago Sirike. 2 million naira. Hey, you can imagine.
Onyema, what I am saying is very simple, and you and I know it is true. Onyema, use your sense now. You're not a child. This money is big money. 500 million naira. Onyema, if they stack that money, you climb on top and jump down, you will die. It's big money. Collect it. We can use this money to build a house in the city and in the village. We get married, live happily and richly. I don't know why you are stubborn. I don't know what you want me to say again. Now use your sense. Now what can Luchy? Yeah. Oh. Gene.
Gineika. Before I can see a nigga. You see I'm looking at you, right? They've bought you.
Yeah.
He has bought you. Because he helped your mother. Now you talk from one side of your mouth.
Onyema, please. Please. I will not take insult from a poor man. I won't do it. Look at all. I am only trying to help you. And you are insulting me in return? For what?
Tell me you're tired of me. Tell me you're tired of suffering with me. Just tell me now.
Onyema, I am not tired of you. I am tired of suffering. I am tired of poverty. Even your mother is tired. Your sister is tired. Even you standing here, you are tired. Look at you. You are a young man. Laugh on a white. Your hair on a white. It's poverty. Eh? Now use your sense. Now it's just to calculate. Ping pong. You get the answer.
If not for the love I have for you, I would have given you a dirty slap. You walk with your head. What is wrong with you? Yeah? If you're tired of me, then leave. If you're tired of me, you should go. Nothing will make me sell my throne for any amount in this world. I will not do that.
Your throne now. You don't even have the courage of a king. It is not your throne yet. Listen, let me tell you. If you know the plans these people have for you, if you know what these people are planning for you, Nam, you will leave that throne. You will leave it and collect the money. Now I'm advising you. I'm advising you from the love side of my heart. You will not take it. Onyema. Okay. If that is your decision, fine.
Awole, you've changed. Awole, you've really changed. I can see it in your eyes. You've actually compromised the love we shared together. Yes. But you know what? If you can stay with me, just go. Just go with him.
You said I should go. You all heard it though. You heard it. Awele did not leave on her own. You're the one asking me to go. Not when I leave, now people will start blaming me that I left a poor man in his trying times.
Leave my house. Just get out.
I should get out.
I said get out.
Onyema, please.
Hey, I said get out.
No, don't touch me. I'm even trying to manage with you. Collect money and change the color of your beers. Everyone cannot kill you and your family.
Idiot. See, really white.
Ezuruonye manaju chimu ndemona hosa chunta sizi n'ukwu m dịka nkano arịrị uwe gbuenu mo anọzikwa nsamo anọzikwa nsamo Patara mo senye maka ocha no mba n'anya ebe ka mpuzi kedi hem geme patara